Good morning, dear Scorpio. The cosmic energies guide you to align with the Sagittarius moon, the sun, and Chiron early this morning, encouraging a slow and mindful approach. Listen to your body's cues and move at a pace that supports your well-being. Be cautious of snappy behaviors within yourself and others as Venus becomes agitated. Avoid nitpicking loved ones or offering unsolicited advice. Choose patience and understanding to maintain harmonious relationships. Take a moment to get organized as the nodes of fate stir, considering your goals for the rest of the workweek. Finding balance and clarity in your tasks will contribute to a smoother and more productive journey. Give your mind a rest in the comfort of home as Mercury and Pluto unite this evening. This celestial alignment provides a cleansing energy, perfect for letting go of stress and seeking restoration. Embrace the nurturing environment of your home to recharge. Wishing you a day filled with mindful movement, harmonious relationships, and a sense of organizational balance. Thank you for joining me today. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed your horoscope. Goodbye for now.